Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your projects and export your videos on the KineMaster application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device and you can open up any of your old projects or create a new one right away. Now, once you are within your timeline menu, you can import your medias and your project files and start making your edit right away. Now, if you wish to save your work and continue working later on, then you can simply tap on the back button in order to exit this project, and all of your progress will be saved within your account right away. In the future, you can tap on this at any time in order to get back to working within your project. Now, if you wish to export your file, once you are done with your project, just tap on the export button at the top right corner. You can then choose your resolution, your frame rate, as well as your bit rate. You also have the option to choose the format as well as the encoder. Tap on the Save as Video button in order to begin exporting your video after choosing your quality settings. And once you tap on this, your video will begin to export right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to save your projects and export your videos on the KineMaster application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.